body learns a gentle way through practice, calm and kind. No force applied, no strain held tight, just balance slowly found. Each movement settles into place, aligned and softly true, until the body fades from view and effort lessens too. Through steadiness, through ease, the posture finds its ground. No tension pulls, no weight remains. Awareness turns around. When effort meets infinity, the strain begins to cease. The body stands in quiet strength. The soul rests deep in ease. The mind is drawn toward what endures, beyond the edge of time. It rests upon the infinite, unmoving and sublime. Distractions fall without a as focus gently stays, anchored in a higher truth that steadies all our days. Through steadiness, through ease, the posture finds its ground. No tension pulls, no weight remains. Awareness turns around. When effort meets infinity, the strain begins to cease. The body stands in quiet strength. The soul rests deep in ease. Persistent care shapes form and breath, with patience clear and slow, while aspiration lifts the mind toward truths it longs to know. Together they create a base, unshaken, calm and wide, where body, mind and deeper self in harmony reside. In balanced effort, peace appears. No struggle left to prove. The form is steady, thought aligned, and inner stillness moves. Here meditation opens wide without a trace of strain. The body's steady, soul